Good morning, everybody. It is Wednesday, March 4th. It is super early. I've got my coffee. I've got my screen up. We're going to go over the prices of cryptocurrencies. All right, let's jump right into it. Bitcoin didn't have much movement over the last 24 hours. It went up and down a little bit, but it stayed pretty much the same. It's at $8,805.43, which is only a change of 0.03% from yesterday's closing 24 hours ago. Ethereum is at $224.99. This is actually down 1% from yesterday. We also have Dash at $89.39, which is actually up 0.8% from yesterday, and Litecoin ending at $60.67, up 0.2% from yesterday. So not much of a change in the market from yesterday. In regards to Bitcoin, we saw a jump anywhere from $8,909 down to $8,691. So there was a lot of fluctuation in the last 24 hours, but if you look at the 24-hour span, it didn't move much. Join us again tomorrow, same time every single morning, to stay up to date on the current prices of cryptocurrencies. And thank you for joining us here at the CoinCasso office. We appreciate you. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel, make sure to like the Facebook page, and we'll see you in the next video.